One of the best ways children learn is by getting their hands on things. In fact, everybody learns best like that. Even if you take your own experiences, most adults will say something about, I just need to practice, I just need to try, I just need to get in there and do it. That's the same for children. We all learn best like that. So we design for that. We want that to happen. We embrace the mess, we embrace the trial and error and process and making mistakes and learning from mistakes. We want all that to happen. We're a safe space for that to happen because we want children to believe that they are able to try and try again and practice and explore and learn about the physical attributes of things and learn how things work. And is it gonna, one of the things, you know, toddlers do the same thing over and over and over and over again. They're little scientists. They're trying to figure out, will this happen? They're doing a science experiment on us. So that's a good way for adults to not get so frustrated with it. But when they're with us, we know that and we embrace that. We want them to have that sensory experience, to learn about properties of things, to learn about how things work. And the best way for them to do that is through that really hands-on, exploratory, meaningful, and playful way of learning. It's really important that they get to learn through play and have a lot of joy while they're learning.